Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the legal right to modify this footage. This protects you and others. Once done, search for the original, unedited file or project archive on drives and cloud backups, because restoring from originals is the safest path. Make sure to inspect file metadata and timestamps to verify you're working with the correct version. If you don't have permission or the originals, stop here and seek authorization. Attempting to bypass censorship without consent can be illegal and unethical. Next, request the unedited media from whoever controls it. A polite written request often yields original files or project timelines. Once you have access, ask collaborators for any proxy files, layered timelines, or export presets that will simplify restoration. If originals are irretrievable, plan a lawful alternative. Arrange a reshoot, recreate needed assets, or produce a clear statement explaining removed material. These approaches maintain integrity and avoid unethical manipulation. Make sure to document permissions and versions for accountability. Finally, rebuild the edit using the original project files or authorized replacements. Reassemble timelines, relink media, and export a new version annotated with version numbers and permission notes. Once complete, verify that the restored content complies with any privacy or platform rules before publishing. If you encounter access problems, corrupted files, or pushback from rights holders, pause and seek legal counsel or platform support rather than attempting covert reversal. That single troubleshooting tip will prevent legal exposure and protect everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.